Working with clay is so therapeutic, and when you make beautiful accessories out of it, it's astonishing. While working with clay, most of the time we all forget to enjoy the beautiful process. In this video, I will help you revisit the process and enjoy it. Welcome to Terracotta Planet. The clay is the most important element here, and hence the quality determines your final output. Let's make sure your clay is fine and free of air bubbles and impurities. Air bubbles and the impurities are the major reason why the jewelry cracked during firing. Do you remember how you felt for the very first time when you touched the clay? I was amazed when I got a chance to work with it. Clay is very flexible substance which you can mold it to any shape and size. As most of the objects we use in our day-to-day life are solids, working with clay was amazing. The very first interaction between me and the clay was a very memorable one. Do share your first experience with the clay in the comment section. As we know the clay can be shaped as per our requirement, we started using cookie cutters and other household things to cut and shape them. Since I started working with the clay, I started to look at every object in a different way. Every time I see an object, I wonder what impression would that make in the clay. Yes, I have tried making impressions with almost everything I found. One of my favorite is a ballpoint pendant. It makes a neat and a cute tiny round impression. You can find most interesting impressions from stationeries and toys. Have you ever tried those? Do let me know which is your favorite tool to make impression. Once impressions are made, next come the bead. We can be as creative as possible with beads. We need not stick to just round beads, but the beads can be of different shape. We can even make a bead in a heart shape too. I have seen beads in the shape of a leaf, diamond, triangle and many other shapes. One of my favorite is a triangle. It looked kind of different for me, and again it's subjective. Do try some different shapes of beads and let me know your favorite. You can be creative with the arrangement of beads too. It need not be always repetitive. We will see the painting and assembling process in other videos. If you like the video, do like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit on the bell button so that you will get notified every time I upload a new video. We also have an Instagram page where we update on a regular basis. Do follow us there. Thank you.